Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the audio into Godot and placing a player node in your scene. First, import a compressed, OGG or lossless, WAV. Once done, create an audio stream player or audio stream player 2D and name it BGM player so you recognize it later. Next, assign the imported stream resource to the node and pick an audio bus. This lets you control group volume and effects. Make sure to enable autoplay only if you want music immediately. Otherwise, prepare to trigger play from script. Now you wire playback behavior and scripting. Enable loop on the audio stream so the track repeats seamlessly, then in a controller script call BGM player. Play to start and BGM player. Stop to end. For smooth transitions, use a tween to interpolate volume dB or animate the audio bus via audio server for crossfades. Once done, Control Seek to jump timestamp positions, and Use Ready to conditionally start music depending on scene state. Make sure you handle focus loss and pause. Mobile and desktop differ. Finish by testing the full flow in Editor and in a real export to ensure the music plays as expected. Once done, verify loop points, volume levels, and that the audio bus routing isn't muted or ducked by other effects. Export using OGG to save size and maintain quality. If something goes wrong, make sure BGM player is in the active scene tree, the stream resource path is correct, and the audio bus is not muted. That single check fixes most silent music issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.